Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. Picked up a really cool little bucket truck right here. This is an '09, obviously a previous utility company. It's got a nice Altec reach bucket. Nice setup, southern truck. You aren't going to find any rust on it anywheres. We just got it in, we haven't cleaned it up, but no rust on this thing. When you open up the doors, nice Altec body on it. All the doors and bottoms, they all look just like that. No rust. Solid, solid, solid rig. It's even got a cool little extra little bin right here. Extra long, my goodness gracious, that's big. Put a lot of components and whatnot. Here's the box so that you can operate it from the ground, and it does operate just as well from the top when you're in the bucket. I've already checked that out. Tires on it are good. Just drove this in. Again, rust-free. Kind of a neat little surprise under here. There's a nice little big old dimensions inverter. And oh my goodness, look at there, it even works. What a shock, huh guys? Nice ladder rack up there, in case you can't get high enough in that bucket, I guess. I don't know. Front tires on it are good as well. Nice, good tread. Hopefully you can see that. I'm probably not on the sunny side. And this little strobe here doesn't work, but the rest of them all do. And you got strobes up there as well. Here, this is in the sun. Maybe I can get a better picture of that tire there for you. This is a 450, 4500 GMC. It's got the mighty Duramax 6.6 powering it. Altec stuff all the way around. The specs on the bucket truck are on my website, which you probably have seen already. Nice little truck. So it's a straight little thing. It's got cruise control. It works. It's got 120,246 miles on it right now, and it's got an AM/FM radio. I guess I never even tried it. Yeah, it looks like it'll work if you found a station. There we go.
Services, any size.
How about that? That even works. There's your controls for the PTO and the strobe lights. Got the little laptop base on it right there. Oh, this is nice. 3-passenger seating, little fold-down, little armrest dealy bopper going on right there. Glass is good. Solid truck. Nice solid truck. Southern truck. No rust issues. 120,000 soft miles. Clean. I personally drove that truck yesterday from Georgia, and I guess about 9 hours, something like that. Thing run just like a watch. Anyway, if you can use yourself a bucket truck, this is a 2009 GMC 4500 series. And again, I'll have more pictures and the information on the bucket on the website. And you can give me a call at 602-510-5444. And once again, as usual, we thank you for looking.